On March 3, 1845, Florida became the 27th state in the Union. Since then, Florida has grown from being one of the least populated states in the Union to the third most populated behind California and Texas. Why is Florida such a major destination for migrants from other countries and other states? Discover with me as I drone around Florida. In this, our third episode of Drone Around Florida, we will talk about the incorporated city of Delray Beach in southeast Florida. To differentiate from unincorporated Delray Beach, which lies west of Military Trail, we'll refer to the city of Delray Beach as East Delray Beach. Delray Beach is bordered by Boynton Beach to the north and Boca Raton to the south. Now, if you've been watching this series from episode 1, you will realize that many places in Florida have the word beach as part of their official name. Now you know why so many people want to move to Florida. Our beaches are great. There's so much happening in Delray Beach that we could dedicate an entire series to the city itself. So to keep this video short and spicy, I'm gonna whet your appetite with what I consider some of the most interesting highlights of the city. Check out this beach. Beautiful, isn't it? But if you really want to see Delray in all its glory, you need to come at night. Atlantic Avenue passes through the center of the city, and this is where you'll find most of the city's activity. Right here you can take a ride on this boat all the way down to Boca Raton and back, traveling along the intercoastal as you absorb the breathtaking views of luxury homes. There are many restaurants along Atlantic Avenue, and the food is great, but don't just take my word for it. Come and try it for yourself. lots of things to do in Delray, especially with regards to arts and entertainment. One well-known spot is the Delray Tennis Center, which hosts several major tournaments. To the north of Delray and bordering with Boynton Beach, we have the Lake Ida Park, which officially belongs to Delray Beach.